We have some latest news update on the Tesla Giga Berlin battery factory regarding the production of the 4680 battery cells. Some of you have been asking, friends, and here's some update on that. Tesla wants to submit the permit application in the next few weeks. According to an industry insider, the application will be submitted in the next few weeks or by July of this year at the latest. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel. Also like this video if you find it informative, give us thumbs up, and also send us an applause if you would like to help our channel and subscribe to us. Heiko Weber has been working in the automotive industry for 22 years. The management consultant and partner of Berlin's Berylls is closely following Tesla's plans in Grünheide, also because he used to be responsible for engine assembly near the Mercedes plant in Berlin. When do they start with the battery cell factory? Asks the industrial engineer. And this news is broken by German publication Handelsblatt. Handelsblatt says that some people in Germany are asking this question about Tesla's 4680 battery application. It has long been clear that Tesla doesn't just want to manufacture electric cars in Grünheide at the Giga Berlin. Here's a quote: "We want to build cells on site for production in Berlin," said Tesla boss Elon Musk last June, a year ago. A few months later, Tesla, together with other manufacturers, qualified for EU subsidies for battery factories totaling 2.9 billion euros. Remember when I reported that I said Tesla may receive up to $10 billion because the European fund for battery factory support is $10 billion. So Tesla got 2.9 apparently, according to Handelsblatt. And Tesla hasn't applied for approval, but now the plans are becoming more concrete. In a few weeks, by July at the latest, Tesla wants to apply for a permit for the production of lithium-ion battery cells, as well informed industry circles have learned. Handelsblatt report. So we're going to keep an eye on that, friends. Speaking of Giga Berlin, Tesla Giga Berlin now closes in on trial runs as new Model Y bodies are spotted on the site of Giga Berlin. Simon Alvarez reports in Tesla Reddit that it appears that Tesla is setting the stage for Gigafactory Berlin's Model Y electric crossover trial production run, as hinted by several Model Y bodies that were recently sighted in the massive electric vehicle production complex. I can't believe that they have already done that much in interior work inside Giga Berlin to start the runs. What appears to be 8 Texas Model Y body were found spotted in the recent sightings at Giga Berlin, with one of the vehicles being partially uncovered. Thanks to this, one could see that the Model Y body had already been painted with primer. The bodies were also located in the same area as painting equipment from Geico Taikisha, the company providing Giga Berlin with its painting equipment. Considering that Giga Berlin's Phase 1 building seems to be nearly complete, the facility is likely closing in on its trial production runs. This would make the Model Y bodies invaluable, as they could be used to help line calibration and measurement in both the assembly line and perhaps even the paint shop. I had earlier reported that we expect the first prototype come out of Giga Berlin in May, so this is getting very close to that timeline. Giga Berlin's paint shop has been taking form for quite some time, friends, with the Geico Taikisha machines, paint machines, being fitted into the Phase 1 building since late last year. By the end of January, large dipping pools for the paint shop were spotted being delivered on the site, complete with police escort. Gigafactory Berlin is expected to be one of Tesla's most advanced factories to date. And a good reason for this is its revolutionary paint shop. Remember Elon Musk's tweet about paint shop? Elon Musk has noted that Giga Berlin's paint shop will be the world's most advanced, offering fantastic color options that quote-unquote subtly change with curvature. This would make the Model Ys produced in the German factory at Giga Berlin quite unique, if not a bit more compelling than its siblings produced in the United States, where Tesla only offers a conservative number of paint options today. Tesla has not announced much about the made in Germany Model Y's actual paint options, though Musk has noted that his favorite is a color called deep crimson. So we'll look forward to see what deep crimson is. And but Elon Musk has said that after Giga Berlin, that new revolutionary paint shops will be also in Fremont and in Giga Shanghai. Tesla's first German plant is being built rapidly despite opposition from local conservation groups. Despite these challenges, Tesla seems to be standing by its time frame for Giga Berlin's launch, which is expected to be held around July 2021. While I'm covering Tesla in Europe, let me say something about Tesla UK as well, friends. Tesla has lobbied the UK government to increase taxes on petrol and diesel vehicles as a way to incentivize the purchase of all electric cars. Tesla's efforts also encouraged the UK government to initiate an eventual ban on hybrid vehicles, reports Tesla Radi, the reference link of which you can find in the description of this video. Tesla is calling for a rise in fuel duty and a charge on petrol and diesel car purchases, which would in turn pay for grants and tax breaks like a VAT exemption for battery-powered cars. If successful, Tesla's lobbying efforts could make electric vehicles much cheaper and fossil fuel-powered vehicles thousands of pounds more expensive in the United Kingdom. This will probably help with the government incentives to switch to electric vehicles by 2030. It will help the transition for electric vehicles to go much faster. Now, in another very interesting development elsewhere in Texas, Tesla closes in on a direct EV sales in Texas with proposed bill. You know that Tesla cannot sell directly in Texas, but this new bill may change. Maria Merano reports at Tesla Radi that Texas House Bill 4379, authored by State Republican Cody Harris, proposes that automakers manufacturing cars powered by electricity or batteries should be allowed to act as dealers under Texas state regulations. The bill would enable all electric car manufacturers like Tesla to sell their vehicles directly to consumers in Texas. Tesla has had a difficult time applying its direct sales strategy in Texas. The state prohibits car manufacturers from directly selling vehicles to customers and encourages automakers to sell via a franchise dealership. Tesla has tried to do the sale in Texas through its service centers or Tesla Experience Centers. But now this House Bill 4379 could change the landscape for Tesla in Texas. The bill proposes adding a subsection to section 2301.476 on the Texas Occupation Code. The amendment labeled subsection I1 would read, quote, "Notwithstanding any other provisions of this chapter, a manufacturer or distributor may own or operate a dealership, may own, operate, or otherwise act in the capacity of a dealer." This would open green light for Tesla to sell its vehicles in a big state like Texas. Maria Merano says the amendment also states that automakers will be able to obtain a dealer general distinguishing number. To get a dealer distinguishing number, car makers must solely distribute vehicles powered by electricity or batteries, and the manufacturer's line make must have never been sold in the state through an independent franchised dealership. This is very interesting. I think that tells me that like car companies like GM cannot sell their cars directly because they have sold that before. Tesla meets the requirements of this amendment along with other EV startups. The bill would probably also open doors for new car makers like Rivian or Lucid. Legacy automakers with upcoming entries to the EV market may not meet the second requirement, like I said. For instance, Ford had been working with dealership for its Mustang Mach-E sales. In the last couple of years, Maria Merano says Tesla has tried a few times to amend the law that prohibits manufacturers from directly selling their vehicles to no avail. However, House Bill 4379 might find success given Tesla's growing presence in Texas, thanks to its gigafactory in Travis County, thanks to its gigafactory in Texas. Well, friends, let me know what you think about these developments, the battery in Giga Berlin trial, and the developments in Tesla. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please give us thumbs up and like this video. It will help to put this video in front of more people and help the transition to electric vehicles, as well as subscribe to our channel. And if you would like to support us, please give us an applaud, which you'll see next to the like button. Have a great day. God bless you. Peace be with all of you, friends. See you next time.